everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away another 700 orbs, thanks to its collaboration with Uber. I'll show you how to get it, but before that, only 3.8% of you have subscribed to my channel. If you want free Nitro, make sure to subscribe now since my channel is the only one that informs you when there's a free Nitro or orbs offer, so it's best for you to support me and also join my Discord server for early updates. Okay, so as we are aware, Discord is giving away 700 orbs, thanks to its collab with Uber. Now if you have no idea what Uber is, click Learn More and explore their website. But for quick explanation, Uber is a taxi app. If you want to go somewhere, you can just book a taxi on that app and set your destination. Uber also has food delivery service, just like DoorDash. It's quite strange though that they have collaborated with Discord. I mean, I wasn't expecting. Now to claim your free 700 orbs, all you need to do here is click Start Video Quest. It's a 1-minute video that shows things about Uber Cab and Uber Eats services, like a friend reached his friend's party on time, thanks to Uber, or how mom reached her children's party on time with Uber. There's also advertisements about food delivery on parties. Overall, it's quite endearing to watch and not at all boring. Speaking of which, let me know in the comment section if you have used Uber services and how it was. Also, we now have over 9,000 orbs. I guess for you guys, this could be around 3,500 orbs, but since I got this feature months earlier before it went live, I have more orbs than you guys. And with over 9,000 orbs, I am capable of buying many things like avatar effect and profile effect. But these ones don't appeal to me much. I might just wait for the better effects to drop. But this ice profile effect is very adorable since I love winters. Let me know how you spent your Discord orbs. I am curious to know if you are also saving up. And if you are spending too much time finding decors and layouts for your Discord server, look no further, just hop right into my Discord server now. The link will be in the video's description or pinned comments. We got all kinds of decorations and every single theme. You would absolutely love it here. The community is also very friendly for everybody. Girls feel safe, and we also got folks with mental disorders who are having a great time. So join up now. And if you love this video, hit the like and subscribe button now and see y'all in the next video.